Hello, everyone. So my app is AI tool that I found. It's called Replit. 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 So it's called Replit. It's a AI generated developer. Pretty much, it develops habit tracker to reach my goals. It can develop. It can develop a website for any dream business you want, and it can also develop educational apps for any kid that you want. So it's pretty much an AI developer. So it's pretty much your own automated app developer. Pretty much, you tell the AI agent which way you want it to be programmed on what you want on the web on the habit tracker or the website or the educational app for the kid. It literally has different things. What do you want to build today? It literally shows you. So you can approve your build plan on what you want in your app, habit tracker, or your app, or your your website, or your educational kids thing. You can refine it through feedback. The AI agent can actually better your stuff, actually make it better and actually make it 10 times better, actually. And you can launch it in minutes. So the way to start. So I'm going to show you on just one of them, habit tracker. So it's actually, you can create it for free. It's free. So at this point, it tells you what you want to do. So I input user accounts and data preferences, persistence, habit categories, reminder notifications, more advanced analytics and insights. So more in habit sharing and social features. You can build a prototype before you release it. So you can get notified when your app is ready. Visual preview only takes 2 minutes. There's timelines, and first app version only takes about 10 minutes. So you can approve the plan and start. So to the side, it actually is building and designing your app. It takes about 10 minutes for it to actually build your app. So yeah, it takes about 10 minutes to build your app. So it actually goes through all the steps on building it. So it's actually building it. So it takes about 10 minutes for the AI agent to do its thing. So yeah, it's actually building it right now. You can actually do initial checkpoints to check to actually go through the app, but that's free as well. But I don't need to do that right now. I just need for it to build the app for me. It's saying this is just a visual preview of your app. That's for the 2 minutes, and then the AI agent is currently making a fully interactive version of the app. It takes about 10 minutes, and then you can run the app as well. It's reviewing what I told it to do, like user account and data preference, persistence and habit categories and tagging, reminder notifications, and more advanced analytics and insights, and habit sharing and social features. So should take about 10 minutes, close to 10 minutes, but I think it's almost done. It's determining the next steps. You can see right here is thinking. So this is a pretty good AI agent or AI app developer. Pretty actually good. You can't see the code that he's using, but you can see the visual preferences and all that it's displaying on the front end, not the back end. You can't see the back end code. You can see the front end images that it's displaying. So should be a couple more minutes. It's creating a server as well, server storage. Yes, almost close to 10 minutes. I think it's almost done. Yeah, shouldn't be that long. It's creating the server. So anything sexy. You can actually also put get notified when the app is ready. So you just scan it, and you can get the app as well on your phone as well. So I just created a server storage, and it's creating the server routes. Uh, These are backend stuff that you probably won't see that it's doing right now. So this is a pretty good AI tool to create a app or a website, or even make an educational app for your children or your cousin or nephew. So here you can definitely see it's coding. So it's definitely using the language React as its coding. So it's using React for the interface. So it's building the code step by step. But you don't see any of that. You just see the front end stuff, but you can see the back end stuff as well. But if you know how to code, you know understand code, which I kind of understand code as well. This is pretty understandable on what he's doing right now. But yeah, I think it's close to 10 minutes. I think it's almost done. Yeah, he's creating the input so you can interact with the screen. So yeah, it's pretty cool seeing the code actually being written out. I think it's using React or Python on this code. Or it's using React for the whole code. can see it building the habit list. It said 10 minutes, but I think it's going to be longer than 10 minutes. So yeah, you can see it going through habit card, habit list, summary card, weekly overview, also habit performance, and the calendar review, which is creating right now. So it's pretty fast, but it's not that fast. But we'll wait until the final version. So yeah, I think it's almost done. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it's still coding it out. Almost 200 lines of code to create this app. 200 lines of code, which is a lot. So now it's reviewing my message. It's considering all the options and it's working. So I think it's done. So yeah, it's done. So pretty much it's done. Yeah, pretty much. So I can pretty much run it, interact with the screen. I can add habits. Uh, you can also, yeah, you can go through it. You can deploy it to the real world, share it with the real world. But I'm not going to. This is an example to show you that it built me the app in about 13 minutes, which you can share with the world. Actually, interact with my habits. They can even add a habit like waking up early in the morning, which what product health mindfulness, make it green weekly, uh, anytime, a.m. So like what 7:52. Go up in time, maybe 20 minutes. Set a reminder for notifications. Add additional wake me up. It's not a timer, but set a notification, which is pretty cool. Great habit, which is easy. Waking up early in the morning. Calendar. You can set reminders like dates and stuff, statistics of your current streak, completion rate, total habits, Habit completion rate this week, last week, this month, last 60 days, last 90 days. Actually, show you the completion actually to 0 to 100%. Current streak, completion rate, daily progress. Many different things actually built me, which I told it: user accounts, data persistence, habit categories, and tagging. Reminder notifications and more advanced analytics and insights, which habit sharing and social. You can even tell it if you're having problems, which it can fix. It can, it sends updates. You can also put it on GitHub to update run. Uh, Also, that you can stop. But pretty much, yeah, it just built me the whole app. With this AI app developers, the website is called Replit, but it's a really good AI generated app developer. Which, yeah, if y'all want it, check it out. Replit, it builds apps and sites, which is pretty cool. And if you like to see people see something programmed or you like code, this is a pretty good thing to check out. So, yeah, thank you for this presentation.